Hello YouTube, this is the clamp where the swivel piece is loose. Okay, this is an inch thick by 2 inch. You see how we have it clamped on? We're going to concentrate the heat right there. We're going to take our, it's not a roll pin punch, but flat punch. We're going to try to hit down right there. So we're going to concentrate our heat right here with the propane torch. I don't think I can film me running a propane torch. You've all seen one used. But we'll bring you back when we get ready to hammer on it so you can see how hard it's going to be for me to get that to mash over. So stay tuned. We'll make this a real quick video for today. It's going to be 45 degrees out. I've got a little wood for the stove, so we are out here in the shop doing a few things. We're probably going to make our Sunday in the shop video. Today's Wednesday. We're probably going to make it tomorrow or Friday because it's supposed to be cold this weekend again. So stay tuned. Okay, we cannot get that red hot the propane torch. Here is the exact angle I used. See how I made that little dimple? We're going to put 4 of them in here. We made sure this was tight. You know, even after heating it, we kept our flame away from here because that's been shellacked and painted. So you see the idea right there. We're going the other side. We're going to hit it one more time. We're going to hit it without warming it up to see how easy it moves. So we'll bring you back when we got 4 punch marks, and we'll see if that's making it smaller so it don't fall off. Okay, we brought you back to the table here for a close-up view. It's not exact. I mean, I hit it 4 times. But no more folly-offy. Making up my own words. And it still swivels. So that's all it takes. And it's usually thinner out here. I don't think you'd even maybe have to heat it up. It did not hurt being cold out here and stuff to warm it up. I mean, I would recommend warming up as warm as you can get it with a propane torch. Got a better chance of hitting something that don't crack when the metal's warm. There you go. No more fall apart. That's all it takes. Still swivels. You can put a drop of oil in there. Kind of catches a little bit. But you could put a drop of oil in there, but there you go. A real quick how-to video. I haven't been making many videos lately with all the hectic stuff going on. We're still waiting on our load of wood. That won't be here till probably next weekend. There you go. This was the spray can black with a model car brush. I mean, it's not perfect. You can see. I'll show the defects. I just slapped it in there. And then clear coated it. And I may spray some clear coating on here. I did notice in the picture that there is some rust down the thread. Now you could take string and run through with some penetrating oil, piece of string, you know, and kind of loop it over there and go back and forth. You can get that stuff out of those grooves, that Acme thread. So I may do that. I may put, like I said, put some penetrating oil on a piece of cotton string and get in there and scrub that. It'll come out. So there you go. Thanks for watching.